whatever you want to do. Then I'm gonna tell you. But try to be more sensual, sexy pose. Make it a little bit. Face this hair, not like this. Try to make some of them to your face. Yeah, good. Not that much. I mean, a little. I think you could make it wet. Good. Look at here. Nice. Good. Now exactly there. Sit down. To me, completely. And one leg on the stone and open. Look, turn to me. This leg up. Good. That leg open there. Good. Open this leg. Yeah. No, hands, because hands gonna be between your legs. Good. Come to me like this. That leg up. And try to keep your face that side. Yeah. Face here to this light. Look at me. Face a little turn to me. To him. Look at my hand. Good. Nice. Good. Let me check. Perfect, yeah. Look at me. Now that hand here to your hair. Yeah. Good. Look, not like this. To your hair, but face to me, down. Because the sun gonna shine to your hair more, to your face more than usual. Neck, easy. Let's go. Look at me. Good. Okay. Now, stand up again.
I was a plane crashing in your head.
Yeah, good. And a little curve your body. Good. Hand to your hair. Good. Nice. Great. One more. Look at this light. Perfect, yeah. Nice. Now, for example, you can open your leg more, be on point. Yeah, no, turn back. More, and be on point, like this. I mean, your hand gonna be here, but face to this light. Let me see your face. Yeah. One more. Okay, look, it should be out of this shoulder. Yeah, good. Good. One more. Perfect. Great, okay.
I can tell you when you skin your first knee.
1, 2, 3. Not with your hand. It shouldn't without hand. Just hair. And hands should be down, okay? Let it be splashed and stand. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. It's good, but let your hair fly. You know? Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Yeah, I got even a little No, it's okay. Try to keep your hand like this, okay? And faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I think yeah, my problem. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, it's good. One more time. More fly. And stand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Wow. Now be like this. I mean, stand instead of sitting. Stand. Let your head come down. 1, 2, 3 up. Okay. Good. Perfect. Leg, hand. You know, when you go up, hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. One more time. I hope it's the last time. I cannot promise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And one more time. Oh shit, it's good, but I was mistaken. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now splash the water and dance. 1, 2, 3. You can start. Don't look at me. Oh, you should splash the water to the sky. And in this angle or that angle. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Do another one. 1, 2, 3 again. Good. Like dancing. Let's go. Good. With a smile, happy. Good. Nice. Good. Okay. Does it? Off? Oh no. Oh, okay, good. Look at me. Nice. Good. Now this time that leg straight. This leg can be like this, but the other side. Right. No. The other side. Okay, good. And the other leg a little break, not too much straight. Good. Face. Look at me. Nice. Now lay down and come to me. Butt up. Yeah, exactly. Look at me. Let me check. Good. Face up. Look at eyes to my hand here. And be like more emotional, hand to your hair. Good. Can you turn your butt to the other side? Let me see your butt. Good, exactly. And legs can be crossed to each other. Yeah. Face to me. Nice, yeah, exactly. A little curve your butt more. Good.
My reflection's still there. The marquees, they all read.
Wow, nice. Change the pose. Leg. Face up. Good. Face turn to me. Good. On my tree, look at me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And this hand is good. The leg also is good. A little sometimes open and bring there. Look at me. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. Let's change.